Hello everybody, thank you for clicking on this video because I'm going to show you something that got me really excited today that adds to the marketplace but from a different one. Now what that's going to be, and I've already done, is developers. You're going to go to settings and then enable developer mode. Of course mine's already enabled. And then once you do that, you want to go back over here and you want to go to the developers menu. After that, you go shared with me, generate your token, and of course get that whole thing, copy it, and then you're going to go over to this URL that I am going to paste in the description in the post. And what you're going to do is go up here and where this is, and you're going to paste your API. After that, you've got all these great things that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and pick the JavaScript one. So you're going to just click install, and then you'll see installation successful. And then after that, I'm going to go right back over to Adalo, and then I'm going to close this, go back up to developers shared with me, and now you see JavaScript. Once you do that, you're going to click on these three dots, and I'm going to add it to my team. And then of course, after that, I'm going to close this, go down to private, and then you see arbitrary JavaScript and a bunch of other stuff I've added. This is really cool, and there's more marketplaces available right here. Most of these cost money, but there's a lot of great ones, and you can help the developers out. Either way, I hope this helped anyone out there. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.